morning, everyone. Thanks for joining us. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the rabbits, but first we got to go feed them, so come along with us. Alright, so as you guys can see, we're over here in one of the main areas where we keep our rabbits. We also tractor our rabbits, as you guys saw earlier on the video. And in today's video, we just wanted to address the main question we get is, why do we raise rabbits? So there's two main reasons that we raise rabbits. The number one reason is for meat, and the second reason is for just a little extra income on the farm.
So like Alex was saying, is the main reason is for meat. And the breed of rabbits we have are meat rabbits. We have New Zealand Rex Cross. And we went with the New Zealand because they are a meat breed. They range from 9 to 12 pounds. And they're kind of the standard meat rabbit. The Rex, little bit smaller, but it's 8 to 11 pounds-ish. And but they're still big rabbits. They're still the meat rabbits. So you're still going to get a lot of yield for your when you're processing. So for the reasoning for the mix of the New Zealand and the Rex rabbit, its fur is a lot softer. It's more of a velvet than the New Zealand is. And one of the other reasons why we kind of wanted to mix that is because we also sell to a local farm store that they sell these during the season, during a certain season. And we kind of wanted that fur just a little bit in the kits because it's just softer and that's what people like. And that's the other reason why you see some of a variety of colors. You know, we have black, gray, black and white, I mean just a mix of them, because the store really likes diverse colors, because you know how people come in, they don't want all white, 12 white bunny rabbits. They want a variety, and last year when we did it, they sold very well because they were diverse. So with rabbit meat, it's very good for you, and that's one of the reasons why we like to raise it. It's very lean. It's like leaner than chicken is, and so they actually sometimes sell it in stores, and it's really good for elderly people that can't have like say a lot of fat and stuff like that, but they still want to eat meat. Rabbit is a very good option for that.
So the number two reason that we raise these rabbits is to just make a little extra income on the farm, and there's a few ways you can make a little extra money with rabbits. We don't by any means expect to get rich off of these rabbits. You know, it's just to supplement our income here on the farm. And the one way you can make money off of the rabbits is by selling their manure, actually. And as gross as that sounds, a lot of people like to use that on their gardens because it is a cold manure and it can be put straight onto your garden. So it won't burn your plants or anything, and it works really well. We used it in our garden this year, and our plants did better than they ever have, and we were really impressed with it. And another way you can make money off of the rabbits is by selling the kits. So as Jacob was saying, we do sell our kits to a local farm store, but we also sell to our community and people around here, just straight off the farm. And the third way you can make money by these rabbits is by selling their hides. We are just now starting to experiment with the hide tanning process, so we hope to be able to sell hides in the future. But that's just another way that you can make money from the rabbits.
So today's video is just to answer the main question as why we raise rabbits. So we will have future videos on exactly how we have everything set up, like this cage here. This is not finished yet. I just have kind of the bare bones where we can put it together, and we have this tin so they don't get rained on. But I will be building an actual somewhat hutch later to come, and we'll go in depth about that. We'll show you the tractors. We'll go real in depth about it. May even build a tractor if y'all want to. If you want to see that, just put in the comments down below what y'all want to see, and we'll show you, and we'll do the best we can to give you the information you want to know. But if you like this video, hit the like button. Leave a comment down below if you got a question. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel.
So we hope you guys will stay tuned for our future videos. Be sure and hit that bell for notifications. And for now, take care and God bless.
Time out.
We also tractor our rabbits, as you guys saw yesterday. I said yesterday. Okay.
Well, technically, it probably would be. We're in different clothes.
All right. And the third way that you can make money off of these rabbits is by selling. I just like had an itch on my nose.
Yeah, I reckon. Gosh dang.
Be sure and hit that bell for notification. And for now, we're done, folks.